Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 of the most popular fast food sauces at home, and it's going to be super quick and super easy. There's only like 12 ingredients to make all 3. A lot of them have a lot of the same ingredients, so let's see how fast we can get this done. And then at the end, I got some chicken tenders all set to go, and we're going to taste them and see which one's the best. Before I even start, I just want to let you know, everything you need to know about this episode is in the description below. Recipe, ingredients, they're down there. So if you need to look at it, go down there and look at it. First up, Chick-fil-A sauce. In the bowl, mayonnaise, honey, yellow mustard, pre-shaken so you don't get all that clear juice at the beginning, Dijon mustard, splash of lemon juice, barbecue sauce. Give it a mix. First sauce, done. Next up, raisin cane sauce. Mayonnaise, going in. Ketchup, going in. Worcestershire sauce, give me a splash of that. Garlic powder, a little bit of pepper, pinch of salt. Give it a mix. Sauce number 2, done. Sauce number 3, McDonald's Big Mac Sauce. Let's go. Mayonnaise. In the bowl, a little bit of ketchup in the bowl, yellow mustard in the bowl, a little bit of sweet relish in the bowl, splash of vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika. Give it a mix. Sauce number 3, Big Mac sauce, done. Well, we did it. And what did that take? 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, something like that. Super, super easy. So like I said, I got some chicken tenders. Let's test them out. First thing, Chick-fil-A sauce, a classic. Quite delicious, just like getting it from down the street. Second up, raisin cane. Now, I'm not as familiar with raisin cane as the others. Ow, 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 ow. Tenders are hot. I don't have a raisin canes around here. I've been to one in the city, but other than that, it's my only time being there. So let's check it out. Looks good. Wow, that's actually really good. That's probably, I don't know, they're very different. I don't want to say one's better than the other. They're just different. It depends on what mood you're in. A little bit more mustardy, I might lean towards the Chick-fil-A, but they're both quite good. I mentioned at the beginning that I said that one of these was going to be even better than the restaurant style, and that's the Big Mac sauce. Do I have a beef patty around here? I don't. I'm still going to try it with the chicken tender, so it may change things a little bit. But there's a lot of debate online over what the Big Mac sauce is. Some people say it's Thousand Islands and that's it. So I did this recipe and I always like to add a little bit of paprika. I think that changes it just a little bit. And I put the vinegar in there. It's good. It's my version. It's delicious, I think. Try it and let me know what you think. If you just think it's Thousand Island, let me know. Let's give it a shot though. That's also really good. Look, any of these, they're super delicious, super easy. You buy these things at the store, they're really expensive. Chick-fil-A is down the street at the supermarket. They want like $5 for a little bottle. So stop buying your fast food sauces at the store when you can just make them at home. Like I said earlier, everything you need for the recipes and the ingredients are down in the description below. So do me a favor, like, subscribe. YouTube's got another video right up in here somewhere picked out just for you. They want you to check that one out, so watch that. So get ready to watch that, like, subscribe, shoot me a comment about your favorite sauce, and once you're done doing all that, go cook something.